Yo, in this video, I will be reviewing the John Works Mini Coupe, and I will be upgrading it, seeing how much power we can put down in this Mini, and giving honest thoughts on the upgraded Mini. Alright, I just got done upgrading the Mini, and it currently has 668 horsepower, 682 foot-pounds of torque, and weighs 2,200 pounds, which those specs sound awfully familiar to my last video, which is the Typo 61 birdcage, which has the same stats except for weight. Well, I'm going to assume that this Mini is going to be the same thing, but probably slower. Alright, I'm going to teleport myself to the highway real quick. Alright, here we are in the tunnel. I'm going to give a sound check. Sounds like a four-banger, alright. But what I did notice is it has that same whistle that I can't tell what it is. I can't tell if it's a super small supercharger or a turbo, maybe? I'm pretty sure it's just turboed, like the 61 birdcage. Just based off the sound, it sounds like a blow-off valve. Yeah, it just sounds like a blow-off, but I'll do a drive with it when I get to the other side. Alright, we're here. I'm gonna go from the hood so you can hear the intake. And then I'll do it again from the back so you can hear the exhaust. Alright, I started to lose grip at the end of that bit, as you can see, but that just sounds crazy. Listen to that. That's a 2-liter four-cylinder. Alright. Now to go from the back to hear the exhaust. Honestly, I prefer hear the boost noise. Alright, I'm gonna do a top speed test by just driving it down the freeway. Let's go. My prediction for top speed is going to be 215 miles an hour. I also kind of doubt it has enough gears to get up that fast. 198. 201? I think it's safe to call it 201 because... Oh, whoa! I saw 204. Alright, let's just call it 203. That is 17 miles an hour slower than the birdcage. Also, holy pop on that downshift. Let me do that again real quick. Y'all hearing that? Listen. Holy. It's popping and banging a lot. Gotta get going a bit, and then you just gotta slam the handbrake and downshift all the way. Listen. This dude in this Ferrari just got dusted by my mint. Never mind. Listen. That's a lot of pops and bangs. For a Mini? Alright, now some thoughts. Super fun. I drive with traction control on Forza because I drag race. And honestly, I'm not trying to slip and slide while I'm trying to race. But if you turn that off, super fun. pretty quick for a little four-banger. And it's a mini, so it's going to be super cheap if you just want a car in this game. Just a drift car. Doesn't work super well as a drift car, but revs high. Revs to 8,000. Makes a funny noise. Hold up. I want to hear it from 6th gear from a dig. 6th gear is its top gear. This way, by the way. Okay. That is crazy sounding. Alright. I'll do the same thing. But from the hood. Actually, I'll do the same from the exhaust. Can hear the boost building. I did not mean to crash. But super fun little car. Super cheap to get this upgrade. And to buy. Would recommend getting the 2009 John Mini Coupes.